Cornish pasty is very traditional. It's synonymous with Cornwall and the mining industry. Now, as a Cornishman, pasties are super important to me and super important to the county, and not to be messed with unless you're going to get them right, and I really think we have. Now, this has taken a long time. Lots of taste panels, lots of recipes, over and over again. So the pasty will have around 20 crimps, but some say 21 is needed for it to be a traditional pasty. So we have brought in the experts to crimp these pasties for us. A pasty is loved for their convenience, and these are just as convenient as a traditional pasty. Straight in the oven, from frozen, 45 to 55 minutes, 180, 200, till they are golden like these ones here. Now, if you've got any questions or you want to talk to us about our pasties and how we've come up with them, do just pick up the phone and give us a call. We're happy to help.